For a lot of patients, the actual medical procedure isn't the most stressful part of their day. Surprisingly, it's actually just figuring out how to safely get there in the first place. Welcome to this explainer. We're going to dive into the absolute game changer that is non-emergency medical transportation in Connecticut. Getting to a doctor's appointment really shouldn't be the hardest part of your healthcare journey, right? But if you or maybe a loved one are dealing with mobility challenges, or you're recovering from a major surgery, just trying to secure a reliable on-time ride can cause massive anxiety for the whole family. It can be incredibly overwhelming. So what exactly is an EMT? Well, this isn't just your standard taxi. Non-emergency medical transportation perfectly bridges that huge gap between relying on your own personal car and needing a full-blown emergency ambulance. It's a specialized, dedicated tier of service designed specifically to give vulnerable populations safe, highly reliable healthcare travel. And who depends on this? It's actually a really diverse group of people. We're talking about dialysis and cancer patients who absolutely have to maintain strict, recurring schedules, sometimes multiple times a week. It also includes folks in post-surgery recovery who simply aren't cleared to drive yet, seniors managing chronic conditions, wheelchair users, and even patients dealing with cognitive decline who really need that professional supervision and dignity during their ride. Now, you might be wondering, why can't I just use a rideshare app? Well, when you compare standard rideshares to dedicated medical transit through absolute transportation, the difference is literally night and day. With an app, you're dealing with unpredictable availability, crazy surge pricing, and independent contractors with zero medical transit training. But on the flip side, Absolute gives you the gold standard: 24/7 reliability, completely transparent flat rates, and fully trained background check chauffeurs who actually understand patient care. And the best part is, this professional standard is rooted right here locally. Absolute Transportation is based out of North Haven, Connecticut, but their reach is statewide, which is super reassuring. Whether you're heading from Hartford down to Stanford or you're navigating the busy medical corridors around Bridgeport, their local geographic expertise means you have access to top-tier care anywhere in the state. Basically, no area is too remote for them. The Absolute Transportation advantage really boils down to ultimate peace of mind. They provide service 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, and get this, there is absolutely no surge pricing, ever. Their drivers aren't just everyday chauffeurs, they are ADA compliant and HIPAA-trained professionals strictly dedicated to protecting your privacy. Plus, for patients who need to travel out of state to see specialists, they do meticulous, real-time flight tracking for major regional airports like BDL, JFK, and LGA. They ensure your ride is waiting the exact moment you land. Securing this kind of premium, worry-free transit is incredibly simple. To experience this level of professional reliability yourself, just visit absolutetransportation.com or give them a call at 203-938-2000. You'll get a transparent, flat-rate quote right up front. That means you can travel safely with a professional chauffeur and never have to stress about hidden fees or last-minute cancellations again. So, I want to leave you with this one thought. Shouldn't your journey to healing be just as safe, dignified, and professional as the medical care you're actually receiving? When you think about it, transportation is literally the very first and the very last step of your healthcare experience. It matters. Thanks for joining me for this explainer, and remember to prioritize your peace of mind on your next medical journey.